welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Google Part 2. Forward to 6 fiscal year company reported $10.492 billion total advertising revenue and only $112 million licensing and other revenue. 2011, 96% of Google revenue was derived from the advertising program. Google generated $50 billion annual revenue first time 2012, generating $38 billion previous year. January 2013, CEO of the Larry Page comments, we ended up 2012 with the stronger quarter revenue with 36% of the year on year, 8% of quarter on quarter, and he hit the $50 billion revenue first time last year. Not be bad achievement, just a decade and a half. Google consolidated revenue third quarter of 2013 reported mid-October 2013 $14.89 billion, 12% increase compared to previous quarter. Google Internet business was responsible for $10.8 billion. These total with increase the number of user click on advertising. By January 2014, Google market capitalization had grown under $397 billion. Tax and avoidance strategy. And Google used the various tax avoidance strategy. A list of the largest technology company by revenue to pay the lowest taxes to the country origin the revenue. Google between 2007 and 2010 saved $3.1 billion under taxes, shutting down non-US profit through the Ireland and the Netherlands and the Bermuda, such as technique lower it non-US tax rate of 2.3%, while normally corporate tax rate and instead of UK is 28%, reportedly sparked the French investigation. Google transferring the pricing of practice 2020. Google said they had overhauled its controversial global tax structure and the consolidated all its intellectual and property holding back the US. Google Vice Matt Bradin tested to Public Account Committee UK House Command and his UK sale team no sale and hence won't pay no sale taxes in UK. January 2016, Google launched and reached the settlement UK pay the euro of 130M and back taxes plus the higher taxes in future. 2017, Google channeled $22.7 billion from Netherlands. The Bermuda reduced its tax bill. 2013, Google ranked 5th lobbying spending up from the 213th. 2003, in 2012, company ranked 2nd campaign donation and technology internet section. Corporate identified name Google originated from the misspelling GOOGOL and which refer the number of reference by 1 followed by 100 0. Google print rated their original paper of paper and rank who has failed Google because common spelling GOOGOL fit well with our goal building very large scale search engine having found it waiver increasingly into everyday language where Google was added to Merriam website, Collegiate Dictionary, Oxford English Dictionary. 2006, meaning of the Google search engine to obtain information internet. Google mission statement from the outset of the was organ world and the information making universally accessible useful in official of slogan don't be evil. October 15 related to motto adopt the alphabet corporate code connected by phrase do right thing and the original of motto was written by code of connected Google now subsidiary of alphabet. Original Google logo was designed by Sergey Brin and since 1998 Google has been designing under special temporary alternate logos to the place on the home page. Internet celebrate the holiday event and achievement and people. First Google Doodle was the honor of the Burning Man Festival 1998. Doodle was designed by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Notifies user that absence of case service server crash. Subsequent Google of Doodle were designed by the outside contractor until Larry and Sergey asked to the interim Denny Hong and designed the logo of Bastel Day to Sun. From the point of onward, Doodle have been organized and created by team of employee termed Doodlers. Google had tradition and creating April Fool Day joke and 1st April 20 and Google of the mental paradox and allegedly featured the uses of the mental power to search web. Google announced from free internet service called TIPS and toilet internet service provider to one of the obtained by connection flushing in the end to fiber optic cable down their toilet. Google service contain Easter eggs and such as the Swedish chef work and Big Ladana lead Elmer Fed and the language selection for the search engine. When searching for the word and ANAGRM and the meaning of rearrangement order from one word to another and validated Google suggestion feature run since 2009. Google run free online course to help engineer learn how to plan and author technical documentation better. Workplace culture on fortune and of organize and list best of the company work for the Google ranked first 2007 and 2008 and 2012 and the further 2009 and 2010. Google were also 4th nominated 2010 and the world most of the attractive employer graduating and student in Universum and communication talent attracts index and Google corporate physiology and September 30, 2020 Alphabet Inc. had been 1,32,121 employees, which more than the 1 lakh worked Google. Google 2020 diversity reports state of 32% workforce and are women and 68% of the men with the ethnicity of the workspace and workforce being the predominantly white of the 15.7%, Asian 41.9%, within the tech role of 23.6% were women and 26.7% leadership of role were held by women. Addition to 1 lakh plus full-time employee, Google used to about the 1,21,000 temporary worker and contractor March 2019. Google employee are hired based on the hierarchical system and employees split into 6 hierarchy based on experience and can be ranged from entry of level data center and work at level 1 of manager and experienced engineer, level 6 and motivation technique. Google is policy known as the engineer are encouraged spend of the 20% of their work time into project the interest term of the some Google service as corporate philosophy including results such as the you can make money without the doing event, you can that service without the student, work should be challenging should email Google and news of the worker ads and originated from the independent away talk of Stanford in Marisha Mayer, Google vice president search product uses the experience until July 2012 shown by half the all news product and launched the second half of 2005 had originated from the innovation time of 2005 article New York and Times of other source began suggesting Google had lost anti-corporate no evil philosophy effort of maintain the company unique culture and Google designated from the chief of culture officer whose purpose to develop the and to maintain the culture of work way to keep trust under the true of the core value and the company was founded. Google has also faced allegations sexism and ageism of honor the employee. In 2013 a class of accusation against the several Silicon Valley company including Google was filed the allegedly no call and agreement of retain and recruiting and high-tech employee lawsuit filed by January 8, 2018. Multiple employee job application allegedly Google discriminated against the class defined by the conservative political views and male gender and Asian race. January 25, 2020 formation of International Worker Union Google employee Alpha Global was announced. Coalition made up the 13 different unions representing workers 10 countries and including interstate, interkingdom, Switzerland, group of Avenida, UNIO Global Union respect yearly 20 million international workers from various union and federation. Formation of the union response persistent of allegation from the mistreatment Google employee toxic workplace culture. Google had previously been accused of surveilling and firing employee to work the best suspected for organization worker unions and 2021 court document revealed that between 2018 and 2020 Google ran anti-union and campaign called Project Vivian and convenienced them the employee union office location Google headquarters Mountain View, California. Google play on the words and the number of Google plugs under the headquarters itself being complex for building. International Google has been 17 office more than 50 countries. 2006 Google moved about 3 lakh square feet, 27,900 m square on the office of the 1111 8th Avenue of Manhattan, New York City. Office designed by Bullitt specifically Google and House of Larger advising sales team. 2010 Google bought the building housing headquarters deal with the valued property around the $1.9 billion. March 2018 Google company Alphabet nearby Chelsea Market building $2.4 billion. Sales is touted by most of the expensive real estate transaction single building in the history of New York. November 2018 Google announced it plan by extended New York City office capacity of 12,000 employees. Same December it was announced by $1 billion, 17 lakh square feet and 1 lakh 67 m square headquarters Google of would be built the Hudson Square neighborhood called Google Hudson Square of the new campus project. More than double number of Google employees working in the New York City. Late 2006 Google established new headquarters Harvard division AN and then Arbor, Michigan. November 2006 Google opened office Carnegie Mellon campus bids for focusing on shopping related advertisement coding smartphone application program. Other office location years including Atlanta, Georgia, Austin, Texas, Boulder, Colorado, Camp, Massachusetts, San Francisco, California, Seattle, Washington, Kirkland, Washington, Birmingham, Michigan, Reston, Virginia, Washington DC and Madison, Wisconsin. It also has product research development operation cities around the world, namely Sydney, birthplace location of the Google Map, London part of Android development. November 2013 Google announced plan for the London headquarters 1 million square foot office of accommodated 4,500 2,500 employee recognized as the biggest over commercial property acquisition at the time of the deal announced January. Google submitted plan for the new headquarters Camden Council June 17. May 2015, Google announced intention to create one campus Hyderabad, India. New campus reported company largest outside interstate will accommodate 13,000 employees. Google global office sum total 85 locations worldwide, 32 offices in North America, 3 of the Canada and 29 Indian territories and interstate territory. California being state with the most Google office within 9 total, including Google Plus and Latin America recognition. Region of the Google count with 6 office Europe, 24 3 in UK, Asia Pacific region count 18 office, principally 4 in India, 3 in China, Africa Middle East region count 5 office, North America, SN City, country US state, Atlanta, Georgia, Austin, Texas, Chicago, Kirkland and Los Angeles, Miami, Mountain View, California, New York City, California, San Francisco, HQ, California, Seattle, Washington, Tornado, Canada and Washington DC District of Columbia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Latin America, Brazil, Colombia, Argentina, Mexico, Chile, Europe country, Denmark, Netherlands, Greece, Belgium, Denmark, Ireland, Germany, Portugal, United Kingdom, Spain, Italy, Moscow, Russia, Germany and Norway, France, Sweden, Austria, Poland, Switzerland, Asia Pacific, New Zealand, India, Thailand, China, Gurgaon, India, China and Bangalore, India, Hong Kong, Hyderabad, India, Indonesia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Manila, Philippines, Melbourne, Mumbai, India, South Korea, China, Singapore, Sydney, Australia, Taipei, Tokyo, RPG, Japan, Tokyo, STRM, Japan, Africa and Middle East. Country, interstate, Dubai, Haif and Istanbul, Turkey and South Africa, Tel Aviv, Israel. Infrastructure. Google has data center North and South America, Asia and Europe. There are no official data number of server Google data center. However, research and advisory first and Gartner estimated July 2016 report the Google at the time of 2.5 million server. Traditionally, Google related parallel computing commodity of hardware like mainstream of 86 computers similar to home of PCs. Keep cost for query and 2005 started developing it one of the design which were only revealed. Google has built one private submarine communication cable. First cable named Cure connected the California Chill was the completed November 15, 2009. Second fully Google one underwater cable named Connect Interstate France plan to begin operation 2020. Google third subsea of cable Equi will be connected Portugal with Nigeria, Cape Town, South Africa company. Fourth cable the name Grace Hopper connect to landing point of the New York and US board and UK Palibas, Spain expect to become operation 2022. Environmental October 2006 company announced the plan to install 1,000 solar panels to provide 1.6 megawatt electricity enough to satisfy approximately 30% of the campus energy need. System is largest rooftop photovoltaic power station constructed US corporate campus, one of the largest any corporate site in the world. Since 2007, Google has aimed carbon neutrality into regard the operation. Google disclosed the September 2011 that continuously uses enough the electricity to power under 2 lakh homes of the almost 60 million watts or about the quarter of output. Nuclear power plant total carbon emission to sustain were just under the 1.5 million metric ton, mostly due to fossil fuel private the electricity data center. Google said 25% of energy was supplied renewable fuel to sustain and the average search and use only 0.3 watts hour electricity. All global search or only 12.5 million watt, 5% total electricity consumption by Google. 2010 Google Energy made first investment renewable energy project putting the $38.8 million in 2 wind farm of North and Carmania and connected the announced the 2 location will generate 169.5 megawatt power enough supply and 55,000 homes favorite resident. Federal Energy and Regulatory of Commission granted Google authorization by the sale and energy of market rate. The corporation exercised the authorization September 2013 when it announced the would be purchased the all electricity produced by Net8 built by 240 megawatt Happy Hartford here 4 and wind farm. July 2010 Google signed an agreement with the LOW and wind farm by the 114 megawatt of the power for 20 years. December 2016 Google announced that starting 17 would purchase end of the renewable energy March and 100% energy uses data center and office. The commitment of will make the Google world largest corporate buyer renewable with the commitments reaching under 2.6 gigawatt 260 megawatt wind the solar energy. November 2017 Google bought 536 megawatt wind power and purchase made the film search 100% renewable energy. Wind energy comes to 2 power plant and such the one of the LO. 2019 Google chief executive announced plan of $2 billion wind and solar investment, biggest renewable energy deal corporate history. This will be grow their energy from 40% of giving them extra 1.6 gigawatt clean energy. And the company said the September 2020 Google announced had a retroactively and offset of all the carbon emission since company foundation 1990, and also committed and operating data center office using only carbon free energy by 2030. October 2020 company pledged that make the peacekeeping for hardware product 100% plastic free and 100% recyclable 2025. It also said final assembly manufacturing site will be achieving UL 1799 zero waste and landfill certification by 2022 by ensuring the waste majority of waste from manufacturing process recycle instead of ending of landfill. Climate change denial and misinformation. Google denote the climate change denial and political group of including state policy network, competitive enterprise institute. Company also active fund the profit from the climate disinformation monetizing and at the space of most larger climate disinformation site. Google going to monetize and profit from the site of propagating climate disinformation even after company update the policy prohibit placing the also similar site. Philanthropy 2004 Google formed not for profit philanthropy Google organization startup fund of $1 billion and mission to be organ create the awareness about climate change, global public health and global poverty. One of the first project was developed the viable and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle can be attained the 100 miles per gallon and Google hired Larry Brilliant program executive director. In 2004 Megan Smith and since replaced him director. March 2007 partnership of Mathematical Science Research Institute MSRIM and Google hosted first Julia Robinson Mathematics Festival at headquarters Mountain View. Google denoted the 2011 1 million euros under International Mathematical Olympiad supported next 5 annual International Mathematical Olympiads 2011 to 2015 and July 2012 Google announced project of 10,100 which is accepted idea how to help community with allowed Google user to vote their favorite after 2 years science during many wondered and they had been happened program. Google revealed winner project giving the total $10 million various area ranging from non-profit organization promote education website intended to make all legal document public and online. Responding humanitarian crisis after 2022 under Russian invasion Ukraine and Google announced $15 million donation to support Ukrainian citizen. Company also decided to transform office of Warsaw into help center of refugees. Also February 2022 Google announced $100 million of fund to expand skill training and job placement low income American in conjunction of non-profit year of the social finance merit Americans. Criticism and controversies. Google had been criticized over issues of aggregate tax avoidance and search neurality copyright and censorship search result and content. The criticism are allegedly misuse under the manipulation search result use another people intellectual property concern the incompletion data may violate people privacy and other energy consumption server and will the concern of over traditional business uses such as monopoly restraint and trade of anti-competitive practice or patent the infringement. Google formally complained internet and censorship policy. People Republic of China enforced the mean the filtered conclave known as Great Firewall under China but no longer does not. As a result all Google service except Chinese Google Map blocked the access within the mainland of China without aid virtual private network proxy server and other similar technologies. 2018 July 2018 Mozilla program and the Mason accused Google and intentionally slowing down YouTube performance. Firefox August 2018 Interceptor report that Google developing People Republic of China censor version search and engine of known as Dragonfly will blacklist of website search term of our human right democracy religion and peaceful protest. However project had been withheld of the due to privacy concern. 2019 half of criticized Google dedicated the upstanding of using the Google product sales under Reddit online coalesced under Reddit online community do Google and de-Google of grassroots campaign continue to grow privacy activity highlight information about Google product and associated incursion on the privacy and personal privacy right of the company. April 2019 former and Mozilla executive Jonathan executes the accused Google of the intentionally and systematically sabotaging the Firefox browser over the past decade in the order of boost adoption Google Chrome. November 2019 Office of Civil Rights and Interstate Department of Health Health and Human Service began investigation project of the assess with whether the mass selection of individual medical record compared with the HIPAA. According to the Wall Street Journal, Google secretly began the project in 2018. ST Lousy based on healthcare company assessment 2022 and National Labor Relations Board of ruling court documentation suggested Google sponsored secretive project Vivian and counsel the employee and discourage them from the forming union. On May 1, 2023, Google placed under the against anti-disinformation Brazilian Congress and bill under number 2630, which was about to approve the search homepage Brazil calling the user to ask a constitutional representation opposing the legislation. Country government of judiciary accused the company undue of interference with the congressional debate, saying the good amount of use the economic power and ordering company changing the within 2 hours of the notification face fine of rupees 1,023 US dollar and per non-compliance hour of the company promptly and removed the ad. Racially targeted surveillance. Google has aided controversial government and mass surveillance project sharing with the police and military identify those protesting racial injustice. In 2020, they shared with the FBI information collected from Android user Black Lives Matter of protest settled and including those who opted the location data collection. Google also part of Project Nimbus $1.2 billion deal which technology company Google and Amazon will provide Israel and military artificial intelligence, machine learning and other cloud computing service, including building local cloud site that will be keep information with the Israel border and the strict security guidance. Contracts and being criticized shareholder and wealthy employee over concerned that project will lead by further abuse Palestinian human right and context of ongoing illegal occupation and Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Korean former marketing manager for Google education protest and the outspoken of the critic project wrote that Google is systematically silence Palestinian and Arab Muslim voice and concerns about Google complexity of violation Palestinian human right and point of formally retaining against the worker and creating environment fear and reflecting her view of the ultimatum and cam and retaliation of the her opposition and organs against the project antitrust privacy and the other litigation. European Union fined under lawsuit. June 27, 2017, company received record fine of euro 2.42 billion. European Union promoting own shopping and comparison service top search result. July 18, 2018, European Commission fined Google euro 4.34 billion for the breaching EU antitrust and rule of abuse. Dominant position has been referred by Google constraint operated by Android service and device manufacturer network operator to ensure traffic on Android device. Go to Google search engine. October 9, 2018, Google confirmed the happened appealed the fine of General Court and European Union. October 8, 2018, class occasional lawsuit filed against Google Alphabet due to non-public into Google Plus account data being exposed. Result bus under the allowed the app developer gain access to private information user. Litigation was settled by July 2020 US $7.5 million and pay out the climate list $5 each, maximum $12 each. And on March 20, 2019, European Commission imposed euro 1.49 billion, $1.69 billion fine on the Google are preventing rivals from the being able to compete in the innovated fairly in the online advertising market. European Union Competition Commission and Google said they violated UE antitrust rule by imposing anti-competitive and contractual restricting third-party website that required them to exclude search and result from the Google rivals. On September 14, 2022, Google lost appeal of over euro 4.125 billion, euro 3.5 billion fine which is ruled by the provide European Commission Google force Android phone maker Carry and Google search and web browser apps and since initial acquisition Google changed policies. On January 21, 2019, French data regulator CNIL imposed record of euro 50 million fine on Google breaching European Union General Data Protection Regulation. The judgment claimed that Google had failed to sufficient information and user method for collecting data. Personal advertising. Google issued statement saying it was deploying the commitment of transparency and was studying decision before making its response. On January 6, 2022, France data privacy regulator body CNIL fined Alphabet Google 150 million euros US $169 million not for allowing internet user easy refresh refusal for cookies along with Facebook. Interstate after US congressional hearing July 2020 and a report from US course of the House of Representatives Antitrust Subcontinent Committee released early October. United States Department Justice filed the antitrust and lawsuit against Google October 2020, asserting the illegally and maintained the monopoly position in web search and search advertising. The lawsuit allegedly Google engaged and anti-competitive behavior by the paying Apple between $18 billion and to $12 billion and to default search engine and iPhones. Later that month, Facebook and both Alphabet agreed the corporate assist with one of the other face investigated into their online advertising practice, and another suit was broadly against Google 2023 for illegally monopolizing advertising technological market. Private browsing lawsuit early June 2020, $5 billion class action lawsuit was filed against Google by